Hey there, lovely people. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sildne Face and Body Hair Threading System. If you're someone who is considering this product for your hair removal needs, you might want to hear about my experience before you make a purchase. So, let's dive in. The Sildne Hair Threading System is a manual tool that claims to remove hair from your face and body with ease. It's designed to trap and pull out hair from the root, leaving you with smooth and hair-free skin. Sounds great, right? Well, not in my experience. The Sildne Hair Threading System is a manual tool, so you don't need to worry about charging it or replacing batteries. It's affordable and may be a budget-friendly option for some people. Let me tell you, guys, unfortunately, it was not a pleasant experience. I tried using this tool on my face, and it was challenging to use. I had to go over the same area multiple times, and it still did not remove all the hair. The thread kept slipping, and it left me with a lot of skin irritation, redness. It was a nightmare. I had high hopes for it, but ended up leaving me disappointed. It's the Sildne Face and Body Hair Threading System. So, guys, as you can see, the Sildne Hair Threading System did not work for me at all. I was left with the unsatisfactory results. I would not recommend this product to anyone looking for an easy and effective way to remove hair from their face or body. There are much better options available that can provide better results with less pain and irritation. So, save your money and stay away from this tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this.